I just left my Airbnb after staying there for 2 nights because I'm leaving Budapest. I'm leaving Hungary today. Not yet back to home, but to another destination. And don't worry, because the Budapest adventure is not yet done, because we're going to go back here again in a couple of days to finish the whole trip. And yeah, so for now, I'll leave you here. Bye-bye. Before leaving Budapest, I cannot miss my fresh... I forgot how we say it. I'll just put it on the caption. But yep, I'm very happy because I found a place that I could eat every time. And the next time that I'm gonna be here, I would definitely go back and eat there. So, okay, I see the people that are looking at me. But yeah, I'm very excited, and I'm going to the tram because I'm on my way to the train station.
Jó. Nem jó, mert ez szélesebb. Megyünk rá egy szép boltot. A következő megállás.
So I just arrived here at Budapest Nyugati, which is, I don't know if this is the main train station, but it looks like it. And I am bound to my next destination, which is Slovakia, another country. It's just 2 hours and a little bit more from here. And I'm still looking for my train. I don't know what I'm gonna take. Yeah. So I will go ahead and check my ticket. It says here at 11:30 it's bound to Prague at platform 11. So there's a train here at platform 11, so I'm gonna go and check it out. So you could also buy the tickets from here. Okay, so yeah, but I already have mine printed prior to going here, just so that I'll be sure. And now I'm off to my train. I don't know, it's my first time to do an inter-country train, so I hope I won't be lost or anything like that. It's a nice train, you can see. So, oh my gosh, I don't know. It is wagon 369. Let's look at it. 369. Nope. 365. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be there. It's 365. Next one has nothing on it. 366. Okay, a little more. I'm very excited. It's gonna be my first inter-country train experience here in Europe. I've done a train from Barcelona to Madrid, but that's it. Nothing more. And I did a train that went from Spain to France, but it's not connecting it directly. It's 1:1. Okay, so this is 369. I don't know how to get in. I guess we push this. Okay, get open. 369. I hope this is the correct train, because if not, 75. Okay, there's like placeholders, as you can see here. $75. Wow, this feels Okay, this is it. 369, 276, 75. Budapest. Okay, so this is my ticket. It's very cute. It has this little yellow things. See? So, looks like this is my seat. Hi. I hope you were able to see it without me seeing what is on my screen. But yeah, I'm very happy. I got the window seat. Here's my bag. And I'll be sitting here. 75. So cute. I have a souvenir. I don't know if I have to return that, but I don't think so. So there it is. We're still in Budapest and we're waiting 25 minutes before moving. So a little bit of history. My history. I bought the tickets online as early as March because that's what I do when I have no idea what to do, just so that I have ample time to prepare or to change stuff. But it's pretty cheap. It's just like 14 euros and another 3 euros for seat reservation thing. And yep, so I'm back to Slovakia. Hi, good afternoon. I just arrived on my 35th country, Slovakia. So it took 2 hours and a half going here from the train from Budapest, and it was an amazing ride just because I was seated by a bunch of kids that went through a swimming trip at the border of Hungary and Slovakia, and they're like the sweetest kids ever. They were like so nice, and we chatted the whole time until we reached here. So yeah, that's the main station according to my new friend. Yeah, and everything here is quiet and peaceful, and it's actually raining. I didn't expect it to rain, but good thing I have my jacket. So